Hi guys, it's Funk here from Scale Street Garage, and today's little restoration is the Lesney Matchbox 22A, the Vauxhall Cresta. This is dated from 1956 to 1960. The early ones have got the crimped axles, and the later ones, which there's only a few of, had the rounded at both ends axles. As you'll see, the bodywork is straight, and the chassis got a slight bend in it. The axles are really bent, there's more camber than a drift car, and the tow hook is actually missing, but other than that it's fine. Let's take it apart. Go in there quite gently. You'll need to just take the top of these rounded posts off. Try not to damage the actual base plate itself. Just checking there, make sure it has gone. Little gentle persuasion, don't take a lot, and there we go. Stitch them axles. These axles were quite long, so where the crimped part is, it was easiest just to snap that little bit off and then just re-crimp it later. There's plenty of room there. I did have a couple of spare axles at hand just in case, but I didn't actually need them. The other ones were only salvaged ones from another vehicle as well. Just filing away the remains of the towing hook. It's pointless having part of it just sticking out there. Just take it back so it's nice and flat, and that's going to fit in nicely. A quick attack on these axles. Not much to say, it ain't rocket science, just bend them back into shape. Just a little bit on this end. Just checking it to make sure that there is enough room for the two wheels to go on. And as you'll see from there, there's plenty enough there to get onto, to re-crimp it afterwards, so that's fine. That's one side. Time to strip the paint. As you know, I swear by the nitro remorse. Instantly starts bubbling. As soon as it goes on there, you can normally see it just start blistering away. This one had a mind of its own. This is another one of them paint jobs that just didn't want to play the ball game. There's plenty on there. Just trying to agitate it a little tiny bit. It's still not blistering, then nothing. It's like, it's a good one then, is it? Well, it's got to start at some time. You can see they're just trying to agitate it a little bit more, just get it to start bubbling. Once it starts, it just follows itself through. It's just getting it started. And this was like trying to set fire to water. It just wasn't going to happen. But not for wanting to give up. I continued. Alright, that's it. We'll give it a little bit of time. Put to one side. Half an hour later, nothing. Nada, zilch, and even one little blister. So here we go, time for plan B. Rob's Way from Matchbox Garage. Start off with boiling water. It's got to be boiling water to start with, or else it doesn't cause the thermal reaction. Straight away I could see blisters of paint coming up, so I knew it had done its job. As soon as it went cloudy I thought, yeah, that's clear, and it was. Within seconds it had completely stripped it. A quick dremeling over, just to, well, Roger tooling over, just get rid of the oxidisation, any little tiny bits of paint, but there was none, absolutely none whatsoever left on it. Yeah, that's clean enough. That's nice. No little pity marks or anything like that to fill in. I thought it was a little tiny bit, and then I realised it was actually the locks on the door handles. You've got the door handles and then you've got separate locks. The detail on this casting is unbelievable. I spent a couple of minutes here just admiring it, to be honest. Just mixed up a bit of Tamiya red and Tamiya blue there to make the burgundy. Also I missed mixing the cream and starting to spray this. I've done the cream first, get the roof out of the way, and as you'll see I just mask it up. All masked up, back into the booth. Nice light coat to start with, let it tack off. Another coat, gone progressively heavier. You can see the shine coming out there. It's lovely. Taking the masking off there whilst it's still wet, otherwise it can pull paint off, so got to be very careful with it. Time to put it all back together. As you'll see here, just put the axle through, put the wheels on. This model's got the little metal wheels as well. Some of the later ones had the plastic wheels. Using my crimps once again. Just the end has just been ground off a little bit just to give a bit more angle to get in there. And as you'll see, onto the end, about 1.5mm, quick squeeze of the handle, and it's done. A perfect, beautiful little crimp, basically just like it came out to the factory. So easy, so quick. Onto the rear axle. A little tiny burr on the end of the actual axle here, so it's a bit of a sod to get through then, and to get the wheel on. But once it's on, it's fine. A little bit more axle sticking out on this one. I'll go for a slightly more beefy crimp. Once again, it's not hard on there. Quick crimp. I thought, you know what, I'll give it another one just to make sure, and it was beautiful. As you can see, they do look smart. That's all on there together, freewheeling nicely. Put the crimps to one side out of the way. We're going to be using them again soon. Nice, quick, simple job this one. No interior, no glass to worry about. I wasn't going to bother painting these to colour match these screws because this is one from my own collection, so I've got another one there, which is complete with the tow hook. I'm going with the Molotov pen on this one rather than the silver. I love these pens, I think they're brilliant. It's a shame it just takes so long to dry, that's the only problem. Making sure it hasn't caught anywhere else. And there we go, this one's done. Quick recap of what it was when we started. Vent axle was all chipped. Still no tow hook. It was pointless putting it back on there, it wouldn't get used. And here we are now. I know it's only an easy, quick little one, but it was fun. Great fun to do. Cheers guys. Hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, Thanks for watching, and follow me on Instagram at Scale Street Garage.